Well, folks, it has turned into quite a beautiful Tuesday out there. Yesterday's cold front came and went with just a bit of cloud cover and some light sprinkles. And now we are going to have that sunny sky and some warm temperatures the rest of the day. We're already well into the 80s across Manassas, Waldorf, D.C., some 70s as you go back through Leesburg, Frederick, Martinsburg and Hagerstown, but all in all, we'll see those temperatures rounding out mostly in the lower 80s and staying there because along with the sunshine, the warmth, we have some breezy conditions in place as well. That wind has turned to be out of the west-northwest here today, at times reaching up to 15 miles an hour, keeping that air moving and continuing to usher in some drier, more comfortable air, which will again keep those temperatures in check. But there is a very good look at how sunny it is. A few clouds might pop up here and there, but generally a very blue sky as we have carved out a little bit of quiet weather between yesterday's cold front, which is now off of the east coast, and then the next frontal system that is over the Great Lakes. It will be moving in late tomorrow into Thursday, bringing about some pretty major changes. But for the time being, we are going to remain rather sunny, quiet, warm as well here through the rest of this Tuesday. Now, that next frontal boundary, it will not be arriving until late Wednesday, more going into Wednesday night. Before that happens, we'll have very warm temperatures and then a few showers will arrive as we go Wednesday night into Thursday morning. The rainfall will continue to be a bit scarce, but we'll see a pretty big drop in our temperatures with very breezy northwest winds going throughout the day on Thursday. And then we'll actually have quite a chilly air mass in place by Friday. It's the first couple of days of fall, and it's certainly going to be feeling like it. For the time being, though, the northwest winds that we have out there today will not be changing much. We'll just continue to have a very sunny sky as we roll through the afternoon into the night tonight. Notice how it continues to stay very clear all the way into your Wednesday morning. But as that front starts to get closer on Wednesday, we'll notice a few additional clouds popping up through the afternoon. No rainfall, though, as of yet. But by the time we get into Wednesday night, any clusters of thunderstorms that this front produces over the Great Lakes will start to roll in. They will be weakening, though, just down to some showers. But the chance for rainfall does pop up Wednesday night and stick with us as that front crosses the area on Thursday. But notice how any rain that we do see will be more on the light side and not any sort of thunderstorm activity on Thursday. Now, the major drop in temperatures, it still has a way to go. We're actually going to go up with those temperatures here after we get through today. We'll be in those lower to middle 80s by 5 p.m. Later on tonight, a little bit cooler than what we experienced out there last night. Upper 50s to the west, lower 60s to the east. But then ahead of that next cold front, there will be a southerly wind. And look at how much warmer we do get tomorrow. Doesn't look like we're quite going to hit the 90s, but we are going to be very close in the upper 80s out there as summer tries to get one last hurrah into the mix. There we go, though. Isolated showers. Those temps drop about 10 degrees on Thursday and then 10 more degrees by the time we get to Friday as some of the coolest air we've had since last spring rolls in. Highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s before we start to warm back up again over the upcoming weekend.